Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Jack. First, ensure you have the Jack audio connection kit installed on your operating system. Next, open the Jack control application and navigate to the Setup tab. Here, you will configure your audio interface, selecting the correct input and output devices. Adjust the sample rate and buffer size for low latency, typically 44, 100 Hz, and 256 frames. Finally, click the Start button to launch the Jack server. Once the Jack server is running, you can connect your audio applications. Open the Connect window in QJackCTL. On the left, you'll see the outputs from your audio sources, like a digital audio workstation or a virtual instrument. On the right, you'll find the inputs for other applications or your system's playback. Simply drag and drop connections to route audio. For example, connect your synthesizer's output to your recorder's input, creating a seamless audio flow. For more advanced setups, delve into Jack deeper configurations. You might need to fine-tune the buffer size and sample rate to achieve the perfect balance between low latency and system stability, especially with many tracks or plugins. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your hardware. Additionally, learn about Jack Transport, which allows you to synchronize playback and recording across multiple Jack-enabled applications, ensuring everything stays perfectly in time. If you encounter issues, start by checking the message log in QJackCTL for any error messages, which often provide clues. Verify that all your audio applications are correctly configured to use Jack as their audio driver. Sometimes, restarting the Jack server or your computer can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Online forums and documentation are also excellent resources for specific problems, helping you get back to creating music quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.